In the vast expanse of the cosmos, one planet has caught the eye of mankind for centuries: Mars, the Red Planet. This celestial body, glowing with a fiery hue, has been the muse of poets, the backdrop for science fiction epics, and the obsession of astronomers. Its enigmatic presence in our night sky has fueled our curiosity, sparking endless questions and fantastical theories. From the pages of science fiction to the forefront of space exploration, Mars has always been a destination of dreams. But could we ever really call it home? Imagine waking up to a sky painted pink by iron oxide, or rust, in the Martian atmosphere. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? But let's delve into the realities of what living on Mars would entail. The first challenge we'd encounter on Mars is the thin atmosphere. It's about 100 times less dense than Earth's, and primarily made up of carbon dioxide, with trace amounts of oxygen. This means we wouldn't be able to breathe without the aid of specialized equipment. And the thin atmosphere also means that heat doesn't stick around. Temperatures on Mars can drop as low as 130 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit at night. The lack of liquid water presents another significant hurdle. Yes, there's water on Mars, but it's mostly frozen. We'd need to develop technology to melt and purify it, and even then supplies would be limited. And then there's the radiation. Earth's magnetic field protects us from the sun's harmful radiation, but Mars doesn't have such a shield. Prolonged exposure to this radiation can lead to a host of health issues, from cancer to acute radiation sickness. But it's not just these physical challenges that could impact our health and survival. The psychological impact of living on Mars could be just as daunting. Imagine living in a small, confined space, millions of miles away from everyone you know. The isolation, the lack of natural light, the constant threat of danger. These could all take a toll on mental health. And let's not forget the logistical challenges. Getting to Mars is one thing, but staying there is another. We'd need to bring everything we need to survive, from food and water to building materials and medical supplies. And once we're there, we'd need to be self-sustaining, because resupply missions from Earth would be few and far between. Living on Mars is not for the faint-hearted, and yet scientists and engineers are hard at work trying to make this dream a reality. So, how do we conquer a planet that seems so inhospitable? Well, the answer lies in our innovative spirit and the constantly evolving world of technology. Let's start with habitats. Picture this: domes of fortified material designed to withstand Mars's harsh weather and radiation. These would be our Martian homes, complete with life support systems to regulate temperature, humidity, and air quality. Then there are the spacesuits, not just any spacesuits, but specialized ones. These would be designed to combat Mars' extreme temperatures, protect against solar radiation, and provide mobility in the planet's low gravity. But survival is more than just shelter and attire. We would need to generate our own water, oxygen, and food. Imagine systems that can extract water from Mars's soil, or create oxygen from the carbon dioxide in the Martian atmosphere. Picture greenhouses using hydroponics and aeroponics to grow food. And this isn't just science fiction. Research is ongoing, and missions to Mars are being planned as we speak. NASA's Perseverance rover is already on Mars, investigating its geology and climate, while SpaceX's Starship is being designed with the goal of carrying humans to the Red Planet. The journey to Mars is more than just a physical one. It's a journey of innovation, perseverance, and the indomitable human spirit. It's about pushing our boundaries, reaching for the stars, and making the impossible possible. The idea of living on Mars is no longer a distant dream, but a goal within our reach. As we look to the future, the timeline for Martian colonization is becoming clearer. Within the next few decades, we could see the first human settlements on the Red Planet. The benefits are myriad, from advancing scientific knowledge to securing the survival of our species. Yet, we must also grapple with the ethical implications. Are we right to claim another world as our own? These questions will only grow more pressing as our technology advances. The future of Mars colonization is a tantalizing prospect, filled with potential and fraught with challenges. It's a journey of discovery, of pushing boundaries, of human tenacity. While the road to Mars is fraught with challenges, the potential rewards, from scientific discovery to the survival of our species, make it a journey worth undertaking.